Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Compass. Building a website used to be a difficult job. It involved planning, creating content, designing, coding, and testing, which could take months. The complicated terms and coding made it feel almost impossible to do by yourself. But today, with the power of no-code tools, creating a high-performing website has never been easier. You don't need deep technical skills like programming or server management anymore. In fact, you can build a website in just a few days or weeks, depending on your content needs. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 simple steps to create a website that's ready to attract traffic, generate leads, and drive sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your website goal. Before diving into building your website, the first and most important step is to define its main purpose. What do you want your website to achieve? This decision will shape everything from the design to the tools you use, ensuring your website works effectively for your needs. Here are some common website goals to consider. If you want to bring in a large audience, focus on informative content and strong SEO strategies. This will help your website rank higher on search engines, making it easier for people to find you. If your goal is to generate leads, offer valuable content or services in exchange for visitor emails, inquiries, or phone calls. This is great for growing your contact list and building relationships with potential customers. If you're looking to sell directly through your website, focus on e-commerce features that make it easy for visitors to purchase from you and help drive revenue. For freelancers, creatives, or businesses offering services, an online portfolio is key. Use your site to highlight your projects, skills, and experience to attract potential clients. Taking the time to plan and define your website's goal upfront will make the rest of the process much smoother. A clear purpose ensures that every decision you make aligns with your objectives and helps you create a website that truly works for you. This is just the first step to building a successful website, but it's one of the most important. Step 2. Choose your domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet, like your digital storefront. It's one of the first things people see when they find your site, so choosing the right domain name is crucial. If you already have an established business, it's a great idea to make your domain name the same as or very close to your business name. This keeps your brand consistent and makes it easier for customers to find you online. However, if you're starting a new business, you have the flexibility to choose a domain that not only fits your brand, but is also available for registration. In fact, sometimes the availability of a domain name can even influence your final business name. When picking a domain name, make sure it meets these criteria. Keep it short and easy to remember so visitors can quickly type it in or recall it later. Include your business or personal brand name to reinforce your identity. Use keywords related to your industry or focus, which can help both users and search engines understand your website. Once you've settled on a name, you can easily purchase it through a domain registrar like GoDaddy or BigRock. Also, if your business operates in a specific country or region, consider using a country code top-level domain. For example, if you're setting up an online toy store called Happy Playtime in Delhi, using a domain like happyplaytime.in will signal to both customers and search engines that your business is based in India and caters to the local market. Your domain name isn't just for your website. It can also be used to create a professional email address, which enhances your credibility and helps with online verifications, like on social media. Choosing the right domain name is an essential step to ensure your website is easily found, trusted, and aligned with your brand identity. Step 3. Choose a hosting provider, if required. When building a website, you'll need web hosting to store your site's data, such as text, images, and videos, and make it accessible online. The hosting service you choose should align with your website's needs and long-term goals. For example, if your website will include blogs, image galleries, or multimedia content, you'll want to choose a hosting provider that offers enough storage space and speed optimization to ensure smooth performance. However, not all website builders require you to find separate hosting. Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify include hosting as part of their packages, making the process easier for you. But if you're using a self-hosted platform like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal, you'll need to select a hosting provider separately. When choosing a host, look for key features such as opt for a host with high uptime to ensure your website is always available. Choose a provider with flexible plans that can accommodate your growing traffic and storage needs. Ensure your host offers security measures like firewalls, malware scanning, regular backups, and an SSL certificate to protect your site and visitors. Compare different hosting plans to find the best value based on the features you need. Selecting the right hosting provider is an important step in building a website that performs well and can grow with your business. Step 4. Pick a website builder. Choosing the right website builder is key to creating a professional website without needing to code. With the right platform, you can build a website in just a few days, even if you have no technical knowledge. Plus, you'll be able to make updates to your site without hiring a programmer, saving you time and money. There are many website builders out there, but here are some of the top ones based on different use cases. Wix, ideal for beginners. Wix is a low-cost drag-and-drop website builder that's easy to use. Squarespace, great for booking appointments, showcasing portfolios, or selling services, making it perfect for creatives and service-based businesses. Shopify, the go-to platform for building an e-commerce website to sell products online. WordPress, best for blogs or websites that need extensive customization, known for its versatility and vast plugin options. If you have advanced coding skills or are willing to hire a web developer, you can build your website from scratch. This offers maximum control over design and functionality, but comes with a steep learning curve. Alternatively, you may need ongoing support from a developer, which can increase costs in the long run. Whether you choose a website builder or opt for custom development, picking the right approach depends on your business needs, technical comfort, and long-term goals. Step 5. Plan your site architecture. Site architecture is all about organizing and linking your website's pages in a clear and logical way. This structure not only helps visitors easily navigate and find the information they need, but also improves your website's search engine optimization. Search engines can better understand and rank your website when it's well organized, potentially boosting your search visibility. A sitemap outlines how all your pages connect and where they fit within the site. Here are a few tips for building your site architecture. Begin by listing your essential pages, such as your homepage, about us, services or products, contact, and maybe a blog. Imagine yourself as a potential visitor. What information would they look for, and where would they expect to find it? For example, if you offer services, ensure that service details are easy to locate and clearly presented. Organize related pages under appropriate categories and subcategories. For instance, if you're a photographer, you might have portfolio as a top-level category, with subcategories like weddings, couples, and events. By planning your site architecture well, you create a more user-friendly website, and in turn, improve your chances of ranking higher on search engines. A well-structured website not only helps visitors, but also makes your site more attractive to search engines. Step 6. Design your website. Now that your site architecture is ready, it's time to bring your vision to life with design. Pick a theme or template. Themes and templates are pre-designed layouts that you can easily customize to match your brand. You don't need technical or design experience to do this. Many templates also include specific features, such as portfolio layouts, blog designs, or contact forms. Website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress offer a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. Before selecting a template, take inspiration from other websites in your industry. Look at their layouts, colors, and design elements to understand what works well. Then head to your website builder's template library and filter designs by industry. Focus on choosing a color scheme that reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Your colors should be consistent and appealing. Then, the font you choose impacts the readability of your site. It's also an opportunity to show your brand's personality. You may want to use different fonts for headings, body text, and other sections to add variety. Next, logo is a critical part of your brand's visual identity. It's often the first thing visitors notice, making it a memorable symbol of your products or services. If you don't have a logo yet, you can use tools like Canva to design one or hire a graphic designer. Once you have your logo, place it in your website's header. Don't forget to create a favicon. This small icon appears in browser tabs and adds a final touch of branding to your site. It can be a smaller version of your logo or a simplified graphic representing your brand. With the right design, you can create a visually appealing website that enhances user experience and reflects your brand's values. Step 7. Create essential pages for your website. A successful website is built on key pages that serve different purposes, guiding visitors and establishing trust with your audience. For all sites, no matter your website's purpose, make sure to include these essential pages. Homepage, your digital storefront. It showcases your brand and core offerings, welcoming visitors to explore further. About page, share your story, values, and mission to build a connection with visitors. Contact page, provide multiple ways for people to get in touch, including phone, email, and address. Include a contact form for easy inquiries. Privacy policy, this builds trust by explaining how you handle user data and comply with legal regulations. If blogging is part of your strategy, which we highly recommend, add these pages like Blog Library, a central hub for all your blog posts, and it should be neatly organized by topic or date. If you're building an e-commerce site, consider adding product pages, showcase your products with detailed descriptions, images, prices, and customer reviews. Clearly explain shipping options, delivery times, and your return policies to set expectations. If you're a service provider showcasing your work, include project gallery, display your best work in a visual format that highlights your skills and experience. Testimonials feature positive feedback from clients to boost your credibility and build trust. These pages will help structure your website, making it user-friendly and informative while boosting credibility with your audience. Step 8. Identify what content your target audience wants. To create a website that achieves your goals, you must produce content that resonates with your audience. This means addressing their questions, solving their problems, and using search terms they're actively looking for. Brainstorm audience questions. Start by thinking about your ideal customers. What are the key questions or issues they're facing that your website could help solve? Monitor social media platforms, as well as online forums like Reddit and Quora, to see what your target audience is discussing. Use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or Exploding Topics to identify trending questions or concerns. Check out your competitors' websites, blogs, and FAQ sections to see what topics they're addressing. Get your team together and brainstorm potential questions your audience might have about your industry or products. Do keyword research to discover how your audience searches for information. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. By identifying the right keywords, you can optimize your website content to appear in relevant search results, driving more traffic to your site. Tools like SEMrush, Ubersuggest, and Ahrefs can help you discover these keywords. Start with a broad keyword related to your business, often called a seed keyword. For example, if you run an organic food store, organic food could be your seed keyword. By combining audience questions with the right keywords, you can create content that attracts the right visitors and answers their needs. This approach is key to long-term success in building an engaged online audience. Step 9. Optimize your website for SEO. SEO is all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. By following a few easy steps, even a new website can start ranking higher in search results. Focus on on-page SEO. It is about enhancing each page of your site to make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your content. Start with writing compelling meta titles. The meta title is the clickable headline that appears in search results. Keep it short, 50 to 60 characters, include your target keyword, and make it descriptive. This helps users understand what your page is about and encourages them to click. Create descriptive meta descriptions. The meta description appears just below the meta title. It should summarize your page content, include relevant keywords, and stay within 155 to 160 characters. A good meta description gives searchers a reason to visit your site. Use internal links. Internal links connect one page of your site to another, helping search engines understand your website structure and how your content is related. It also keeps visitors engaged by guiding them to other useful content on your site. Optimize your images for SEO. Make sure your images are optimized by using descriptive file names, adding alt text, and compressing images for faster loading speeds. This improves your site's visibility in search results and image searches. Submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. A sitemap is like a roadmap for search engines, listing all the pages on your website. Submitting it to Google Search Console helps Google find and index your pages faster. If you're using WordPress, the Yoast SEO plugin can create a sitemap for you. Just remember, you'll need to submit it to Google Search Console manually. Platforms like Shopify and Wix automatically generate sitemaps and update them when needed. By optimizing your website for SEO, you're not just improving your search rankings, you're also making it easier for your audience to find you. Start applying these simple tips today and watch your website grow. Step 10. Test and publish your website. Before launching your website, make sure it's perfect for your visitors. We'll guide you through the crucial steps to thoroughly test your website and ensure it provides a smooth user experience. Start with checking the functionality of the website. Click on every link and button to ensure they work properly and lead to the right pages. Then carefully review your content for typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies. Tools like Grammarly can help you with this. Test your website on different devices, desktop, laptop, smartphone, tablet, to make sure it looks great and functions well on all screen sizes. Make sure to test the speed of the website. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to check your website's loading speed. Remember, a fast website is crucial for keeping visitors happy and improving your SEO. After testing and reviewing your website, if everything looks good, it's time to publish. Remember, creating your website is just the beginning. Once it's live, share it across your social media channels to attract visitors and start growing your online presence. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building and optimizing your website. Thank you.